Here is a quick guide on how to use a smart Airsoft battery charger. For this video, we're using an RBC01 from Rebel Precision. These are available for just £25. They're a compact smart charger, meaning they're great to take with you to games or on the move and put in your kit bag. Don't take up too much space. £25, they're great value. What's great about smart chargers is that they charge all types of batteries, not just one specific one, so there's no need to have multiple chargers. This will be charging all of your Airsoft batteries, including LiPos, lithium ions, NIM batteries and Life batteries as well. Let's have a look at what we get included with the charger. So obviously you get your box. You get, very important, you get the manual. Whenever you use a smart charger, whether it be a Rebel one or another branded one, always read the manual before use because they all have different instructions and there might be certain brands might have different quirks to them, so you want to make sure you're using your smart charger correctly every time. We also get a NIM charging cable. We'll go over why you need a charging cable just for NIMs in a moment. And of course, you get the RBC01 smart charger as well. A lovely little thing. It looks like a Sega Mega Drive and I love it. You also get, of course, a power cable. So we'll plug this in and that lights up. It automatically sets to the LiPo setting. So you'll see we've got 3 buttons along the bottom here. So we've got LiPo, which is green. We've got the Life setting, which is orange. And then we've got the NIM setting, which is red. If you've got a lithium ion battery, you just need to set it on the LiPo setting. The LiPos and lithium ions very similar. If you're charging a battery, you need to make sure you set it to the correct setting before plugging your battery in. So here's how to charge your batteries. We'll use this Rebel Precision LiPo battery as an example. You just need to take this white-ended balance lead that's attached to the battery and just plug it directly into the base of the smart charger. This is still lit on green. We want it on green because it's a LiPo battery. Once it's plugged in and it's on the correct setting, you need to press the button again and then it will start flashing. This means that the battery is charging, and when it's fully charged, this should go a solid color. Now, we did have a customer recently ask, how long on average does it take to charge each type of battery? And that really depends on the milliamps of the battery that you're charging. The higher the milliamps, the longer it's going to take. But as a general rule, most, if not all, Airsoft batteries will take less than 90 minutes to charge. Whether your smart charger is showing that it's fully charged or not, we highly recommend taking any battery that's been on charge for 90 minutes off charge. Otherwise, they could cause some issues. When charging a battery, there's a few very important safety precautions that you need to follow. First of all, when charging a battery, make sure you never leave it unattended. Always be in the same room as your battery, even if you're just checking on it every 5 or 10 minutes or so. The second is that we highly recommend charging it inside a LiPo safety bag. Again, we're using a Rebel branded one, but the other brands are available. While it's charging, you pop the battery inside the bag and you close it up at the top. Always ensure that you do not place your battery while it's charging on a flammable surface like a carpet. Always make sure it's on a hard, non-flammable surface. Now, if you're using a Life, a LiPo, or a lithium ion battery, you'll see that the balance lead is attached to the battery itself. So whenever you purchase a battery, it will have one of these white balance leads on the top of it. However, you will notice that NIM batteries do not come with this included. That's why the NIM charging cable is included in the box with the smart charger. All you need to do is connect the charger to the lead that's on the battery like so, and then you'll plug that in the bottom of the smart charger, just like you did with the lithium ion or LiPo battery. Make sure it's on a NIM setting. So you click it over once and then you click it again to make sure it's charging, and it'll start flashing like so. That means it's charging. At the base of the charger, you'll see there's 2 different size ports for batteries. The one on the left is for 2-cell batteries, that's why it's thinner, and the one on the right is for 3-cell batteries. 2-cell batteries are usually 7.4 volts. And 3-cell batteries are 8.4 or higher, usually 8.4 in NIMs or 11.1 in lithium ion and LiPo batteries. Although it does have 2 ports, it is not designed to charge 2 batteries at once. This will cause you issues and potentially break your smart charger, or even worse than that. Multi-chargers are available that can charge more than 1 battery at once, but we do recommend just sticking with a multi-charger. The night before a game, we always recommend just plugging your batteries in, making sure they're fully charged so you don't get caught short when you're actually in the middle of a game. And it really is as simple as that. You just take the white lead on the battery, plug it into the bottom of the smart charger, select the correct battery type, press it again so it starts flashing, that means it's charging. And when it goes to a solid color, that means it's fully charged. If it goes over 90 minutes, we recommend unplugging the battery regardless of whether it's flashing or not. Rebel Precision RBC01 smart chargers are available from sites and shops across the UK, including BZ Tactical, for just £25 each. One of the best value smart chargers on the market. And of course, Rebel Precision batteries are also available in LiPo, lithium-ion and NIM. This video was a request by one of our customers. We hope it helps. And of course, if you've got any questions on how to use any Airsoft products, you want us to do a review on something, or any ideas at all for videos in the future, please leave them in the comments. We love getting your suggestions. And of course, as always, like, subscribe, and shop at BZ Tactical.